BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two gas grills, huh? The Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit 2E-310. Right off the bat, the Weber is significantly more expensive.
Yeah, like almost 3 times the price. Is it really that much better?
Well, let's look at size first. The Nexgrill is portable, only 263 square inches of cooking space. The Weber is a full-size grill, boasting 529 square inches. So if you're cooking for a crowd, Weber wins hands down.
Makes sense. And what about power?
The Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners. The Weber doesn't actually list BTU, but it's got 3 burners, so probably more overall heat output. Plus, the Weber uses natural gas, so you need a gas line hookup. Nexgrill is propane, making it more portable.
Good point about the gas type. I don't have a natural gas line, so Nexgrill would be easier for me. What are the grates made of?
Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids, which are great for heat retention. Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which are also good but a little easier to clean.
Okay, cleaning is always a plus. Any other key differences?
The Nexgrill has a 2-in-1 griddle and grill feature, which is nice for versatility. It also has easy lift handles, emphasizing its portability. The Weber has an open cart design with tool hooks, and also has locking casters for easier movement.
So Nexgrill is all about being compact and portable, while Weber is bigger for larger cooking and more permanent setup.
Exactly. And the Weber has a 10-year warranty, which is a big selling point. The Nexgrill doesn't specify the warranty length. Also, Weber has more reviews and a slightly higher rating.
Tough choice. I like the portability and price of the Nexgrill, but the Weber seems more robust and has that warranty.
It depends on your needs, really. If you need something for camping or tailgating, the Nexgrill is the clear winner. If you're looking for a solid backyard grill and natural gas isn't a problem, the Weber is probably worth the investment. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.